Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a clay bar, rubbing compound, microfiber cloths, and isopropyl. Once positioned, wash and dry the panel, then tape around the line to protect trim. You must test a small 1-inch spot. Clay removes surface overspray, compound removes light lines, sanding and polish handle deeper cuts. Make sure you assess depth by feeling the edge and checking reflections. That determines whether you proceed with clay, polish, or controlled abrasion. Once you confirm the mark is surface level, lubricate, and use a clay bar with smooth, repetitive passes. You're removing bonded overspray, not cutting clear coat. If clay clears it, immediately follow with a light rubbing compound using a dual-action polisher at moderate speed to remove micro-marring and restore gloss. Make sure to work small 2x2-inch sections. Wipe residue with a clean microfiber. Then inspect under angled light to judge progress. You finish by polishing with a fine polish pad to remove any remaining haze, then seal the area with wax or a ceramic coating for protection. If the line remains after polishing, wet sand very lightly with 2,000 to 3,000 grit, only on stubborn clear coat marks, then polish back to shine and reseal. Make sure to inspect frequently. If sanding exposes base color or the line is deep, stop and consult a professional to avoid panel repainting. If polish dulls paint, keep polishing until clarity returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.